This is an instruction video to show you how to use the export feature in the background generation function that ThalesLens has just published. So first of all, go to Discord, and you can see here we're already in the official channel of ThalesLens. Select any Thales space that you want. They basically have the very same function. So put your mouse here in the chat box, and when you put in slash, you can see there are several functions popping up. Select dyn-bg. This is the function that shapes your dynamic background. So basically here, it's going to generate the background for your lens based on the keyword that you put in here in the prompt. So let's try mountains. It says please retry later. Let's try another space. Mountains. Okay, you can see here ThalesLens has generated a filter that has mountains as a background for you. Here I'm going to show you how to use the export feature. So the export feature basically provides you with a data file that contains all of the data for the lens. So you're able to download it and edit it in the Lens Studio workspace. So basically this export feature is for users who want to edit their own lens, for the users who already have experience editing their own lenses in the Lens Studio workspace. And also you're able to publish it to platforms other than Snapchat. For example, we can publish to TikTok, to Instagram. And it's not restricted to only the Snapchat platform. So download it. Here, continue to download. And it has already been successfully downloaded. Double click on it to unzip the file and open it. There are two files that comes with the Lens Studio icon. You can click on either one of it. I'm just gonna double click on this. You can see that it automatically leads you to the Lens Studio workspace. Here it's gonna say your project contains resources that are not compressed. You can just click yes. And here is the Lens Studio workspace. I'm gonna show you some of the really basic functions, and you can edit, make adjustments to your lens, based on your needs. So you can see, first of all, here on the right is a demo of how your lens is gonna look like when it has been published to the social media platform that you want. And here, project info is the place where you can change some of the basic information for your project. So for example, you can change your lens name. I'm just gonna name it Nico's Mountains. And also here you can change the size, what it's made for, and also a hint. Yeah, you can choose some of the hints to give the users a hint, what should they do, what actions should they make. And yeah, basically this is the place where you put in some of the basic information for your lens and click on apply. And also you can, if you want, you can go and explore all of the features here in this workspace. It's really amazing. And after you have finished making all your adjustments, simply click publish lens, and this is going to publish your lens to Snapchat. You can see here it has led you to my lens, which is associated with your Snapchat account. If this is not the Snapchat account that you want to publish your lens to, do go and log out and log into the correct Snapchat account. So here is, it's going to ask you to select a lens folder. And you can see here I already have a default folder called ThalesLens. Once you select the lens folder, click submit lens. It's going to ask you to put in some of the lens details. Here, only the primary category is required. The other places are all optional. You don't have to fill in every one of the information. So I'm gonna choose maybe funny for this lens. And once you put in information, click submit lens. And yeah, it says congratulations, your lens has been submitted and is currently in review. You're gonna get a notification in your email once your lens is ready. So here, go to my lenses. You can see here Nico's Mountains. It's in review. Usually the review is going to take 10 minutes to 15 minutes. And after you have finished the review process, you're gonna see your lens in the lens section of your Snapchat main page. Then you can begin use the new lens that you had just created.